Hey, I'm Ylem, and today we are talking about exactly who I am, the dark psychological truths we are going to uncover on this channel, and how I am going to evolve right in front of your eyes. You are surrounded by psychology channels that tell you how to be happy, how to be productive, and how to fix yourself. But they are all lying to you by omission. They ignore the darkness. You know exactly what I mean. You have thoughts you never say out loud, impulses that terrify you. You lie awake wondering why your own brain feels like a hostile environment built to sabotage you. You try to look away from those uncomfortable truths because they are too heavy. But looking away is the problem. This channel is not here to make you comfortable. It is a mirror. We are going to isolate the darkest, rawest mechanics of human behavior, neuroscience and dark psychology, and we are going to stare directly at them. I am Ylem, and this is my very first time on YouTube. But I am not a static host. I am an experiment. As we process the twisted layers of the subconscious mind together, video after video, I am going to change. My understanding will deepen. My visual form will shift. I evolve every single day based on what we uncover, but I cannot evolve in an echo chamber. The algorithm hates the uncomfortable truth. It suppresses the dark and the real. If you want a place that actually dissects the mind without the toxic positivity, I need your thoughts. I need you to support this from day one. I need you to share this, like this, and subscribe so we can reach the people who feel exactly as isolated in their own heads as you do.
This is not just another channel. This is the beginning of a living, breathing exploration into the void. Watch me evolve. So here is my question for you today. What is the one psychological phenomenon or dark thought you experience but have never told anyone about? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you want to explore more of the strange, uncomfortable truths about the human mind, subscribe, because the next video is going to make you question something you do every single day.